Now we're going to take a look at our email in the workplace pre-work module 3. So this is where I ask them to share some of their favorite email writing tips. This is a discussion board post, and so they can reply to this, and then they can choose to subscribe so that they will get notifications of new comments. But this is meant to be where they can read other students' tips, and then also they can submit their own. And so that would only take them a minute or two, but it gives me some idea of some things that maybe they're doing already that I can bring to the content and share with the rest of their class. So next time we will look at Module 4.